Hello everyone and welcome to the Seattleite Love. This is Danielle and today we will be exploring the UPS Waterfall Garden Park located in Pioneer Square here in Seattle. You can find this at South Main Street and 2nd Avenue South. Please enjoy. Created and maintained for the people of Seattle by the Annie E. Casey Foundation in honor of all the men and women of the United Parcel Service, 1977. This place is a place of zen in the hectic Seattle lifestyle. Thank you for joining me today on this exploration of another hidden gem in Seattle. If you like what you've seen, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell button next to it to be alerted next time we upload a video. And this is the Seattleite Love signing out. Thank you for enjoying this video. Please feel free to join us on one of our many other adventures.